Need dependable lift station repairs and maintenance in Southwest Florida? At McGrath Plumbing, we specialize in expert lift station services to keep your systems running smoothly and efficiently. With years of experience serving the Southwest Florida community, our certified team provides top quality service tailored to your specific needs. Homeowners and businesses across Southwest Florida trust us for our prompt response, professional expertise, and affordable solutions. From routine maintenance to emergency repairs, rely on McGrath Plumbing for all your lift station needs in Southwest Florida. Contact us today